14 days ago, I wasn't sure if I would finish this, and honestly, I didn't expect anyone to care, but something happened. So, before I talk about what happened, we're going to talk about a little bit why did I start. So, why did I start on YouTube? I started because I want to test myself and figure out uh, that I could post for 14 days on YouTube Short. And I usually quit because I don't have the confidence and it's hard to be in front of a camera because you are not used to it. So it feels weird to talk in front of the camera. And the other reason why I started on posting on YouTube is because I want to see if I could be consistent. But now when I have posted on YouTube Short for 14 days, now I want to focus on long form YouTube instead, because now I want to take it to the next step, not just only posting on YouTube Short. But for now, I want to show you how my videos went. The first few days, as you can see, nothing really happened in the beginning. So if you follow this blue line, we are already one day in. Now day 2 and day 3. So day 3, it looks more promising. And then suddenly this happened on my second video. It got over 2,000 views. That actually shocked me. But I also had a video that didn't perform well. As you can see, it only have 50 views. Why was it so hard for me to post for 14 days? It was hard because I need to figure out what video I have to film every single day. And in my mind, it was kind of stressful because I wanted to make my videos better each time. But for the most part, it felt the same because I didn't feel my videos had any direction. I felt it was only the same, even though it wasn't. There was one day I almost didn't want to post, and so I didn't even think about pressing record. But I promised myself to post every single day for 14 days, so that I did. And I actually completed it. So I am happy about that. The numbers weren't crazy, but that's not the point. The point is I didn't quit. Now I want to see what happens next. Thank you for watching.